Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Saudekaba and this is Business with SK. On this channel we teach about importation business, how you can start your own business with little or no capital. So if you're someone looking to start your own business, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and like this video too. In today's video I'm going to show you step-by-step ways of translating your Xianyu app into English. I know this is one of the challenges most people face, so make sure you watch this video to the end, and if you have any questions don't forget to leave them in the comment section and I'll be happy to reply them. I don't want to waste much time here, so let's get right to the video. Firstly, make sure you have an Alipay account or Alipay app on your phone. Click on account here. Now click on settings. Select general. Now click on translation tool. You then select the language of your choice from this part. For me, I'll select English. After selecting the language of my choice, I'll go back to the home page and select more. Now click on the search icon. After clicking on the search icon, type the Xianyu app name there because we want to translate the app into English. If you've downloaded the app, you know how the app looks like. So you select the first one. After selecting it, will send you back to the Xianyu app. You see from here, you can see the translate on the left side. Yes, where the arrow is pointing at. Now click on the translate, but it will take some time before it will translate, depending on your internet connection. Now click on OK. You see right now it has been translated to English. So let's search for iPhone 13 and let's see if it's still going to be in Chinese or English. You see, as the search bar is searching for iPhone 13, it's also translating the page to English. So these are suppliers selling iPhone 13 Pro, like different supplies. My internet connection was very slow, that's why, but right now, as you can see, it has been translated to English. So this is how you can translate your Xianyu app to English. In our next video, I'll show you how you can add your shipping address to this Xianyu app. So this is how you can translate the Xianyu app, or let me say Xianyu. Forgive me if I'm not pronouncing the word well, but this is how you translate the Xianyu app into English. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it to anyone who wants to start their own gadget importation business, whether in Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon or any country. And also you can let me know which tutorials you want me to work on for you guys. Yes. My name is Saudekaba and this is Business with SK. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.